using the Net Promoter Score or NPS to help your referral marketing process. It is a ranking system built based on surveys.
Aha!
The higher the NPS, the greater the possibility of attracting new customers through referral marketing, since it helps you measure the customer's base loyalty.
Aha!
Once you know your NPS, you can build your surveys using a survey management tool like SurveyMonkey. It is a question of asking them on a scale of 1 to 10 how likely they are to recommend your products to friends. By obtaining the response results, you can categorize each prospect based on the probability of referring your business. Based on NPS, a score of 0 to 6 is considered a detractor, 7 to 8 passive, and 9 to 10 are promoters. An excellent way to use the power of NPS is to take things one step further. Once someone completes a survey, you can segment the response so that those who gave you a 7 or higher score are redirected to the affiliate program where they are invited to subscribe. In the same way, you can have the customer service representatives to promote your referral program at the end of the call with a positive result. Once you open your referral program, you must notify your most loyal customers first. These are people who will appreciate a reward for the loyalty, and they will refer you to their friends and family when it comes to saving money. Additionally, you can educate your clients about your referral program. Make sure you regularly remind them about it. Those reminders can be defined in the forms of email at the end of the invoices or link that you place on your website.
Yes!
After watching this video, you should have a better understanding about this topic. If you still have any question, please ask.
Ask, please.
Use the comment section. Another important thing is that you must continue educating yourself about this topic. That's why I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel, so that you can receive much more free information about this topic and other internet marketing strategies that will help you grow your online business. In the same way, I recommend you to press the small bell next to the subscribe button. This way, you will receive alert in your YouTube account and in your email at the precise moment when I publish a new video, so that you can be informed much more sooner than other users. Last but not least, I would like to invite you to join my mailing list. You will be informed every time I add new content to my website, and you will receive by email free internet marketing information on a regular basis, which will help you grow your online business faster. You don't have to pay anything for it. It is completely free. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you later in the next video. Goodbye.